Hello friends, Tony here, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you the new starter kits we have, so the official templates we have here, and then community templates. We have Statamic, Genesis, let me just, Summit, Filament Zeus Starter, which has a bunch of installs, and this is a filament with a blog, I think, also a contact form. Then we have Cachet, we have Wave from the Dev Dojo. Very nice starter kit also, this one. Then we have a filament, and this is a very nice touch. So I'm going to try this filament and also the React. Yeah, new Laravel React app. So React starter. We have React inertia starter, but also React starter without the inertia. So let's try this one and also the filament. So let me open here the terminal, and I am in the heart directory. Let me just zoom it a little bit for you and say Laravel new -- using, and not a dev dojo dot wave, but I want this one, which is going to install also the filament for you. So I'm going to say filament starter. Let's say filament starter. Hit enter, and yeah. And I'm going to open then with VS Code just to see what we have inside. Okay, so if I cd in the filament starter, I'm going to open with VS Code. Here we have, let's open the composer, filament, Laravel, and Laravel Tinker. Now filament is installed by default, so let's also, if I open the app models, controllers, we don't have any resource, I think. So let's open the project filament starter.test. I'm going to continue, and yeah, we have a nice welcome page. So view the admin panel and read the documentation. We can view the admin panel, but right now we cannot sign in because I don't have any user. So if I open the database seeder, we can run the factory to create this test example. PHP artisan migrate and dash seed, I think. .env file, use the SQLite. Okay, now let's come here and refresh test example. And yeah, here is the project, the minimal filament, only installing the filament and nothing else. Okay, so if you want to create a project with filament, I think this is a very nice catch from Tony Lea, or what is the name. So you just say Laravel new, using, and specify here the template. Now let's see also this one, React starter, because this one is without the inertia. So I'm going to close that and cd back here, say Laravel new dash using, and now let's add this one, React starter. I'm going to say React tny Lea. Okay, let's cd there, and I'm going to open this with a VS Code. Okay, now first I'm going to open the composer. We have on the Laravel framework, pale pint sail mockery, and if I open the packets JSON, we have Axios, Tailwind Vid, Tiny CSS, types React, React DOM, which is the latest one. And let's see inside the resources JS or views, we have the welcome here. But if I open the app.jsx, yeah, here we have if root element, so const root element, document get element by ID root, which if I come here, we have this div with ID root. And let me just come here and run the npm run dev, npm install, yeah, npm run dev. Okay, let's open the project. I think, yeah, I'm going to copy this. And now let's paste it right here. Continue to site, and we have Laravel with React, and we have a counter here. So if I change something on the component, because on the app.js we have just import this welcome component. If I change something here, let's remove this. Okay, I'm going to say just welcome, remove also this one. And now let's see on the browser, we have only the welcome here. Okay, friends, this is React without the inertia. So if you want to work with React and Axios for the APIs, you can use this starter. That's it all about this video. Now, if you like such a videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, share with your friends, and see you in the next one. All the best. Thank you very much.